In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the DEnvelope Better Bollinger Bands indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and ready to customize so it fits your trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. The steps are exactly the same. On your chart screen, look at the top of the page for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the indicator menu. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and community scripts live, and it's what we'll use to find DEnvelope. Once the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This search bar is the fastest way to find any script without scrolling through long lists. Click into the search field to activate it, and then type in the name of the indicator exactly as you want to use it. Now, in the search bar, start typing DEnvelope Better Bollinger Bands. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Make sure you select the correct one from the list that appears. When you see DEnvelope Better Bollinger Bands in the results, click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart, layered over your price action. You should see the bands appear right away. With the indicator now visible, the next step is to adjust its settings so it works the way you like. On your chart, move your cursor over the DEnvelope indicator name at the top left of the chart area. You'll see a small settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings panel for DEnvelope Better Bollinger Bands. Here you can tweak inputs like length, deviation and style, and you can also change colors or line thickness to make the bands easier to read. Take a moment to adjust these settings based on your strategy, then click OK or Apply to save them. If you don't already have TradingView Pro, you can use the link in my description to sign up. Once you're set up, repeat these same steps to add DEnvelope Better Bollinger Bands to any chart you're analyzing. That's it. Indicators, search, type the name, add it, open settings, and customize.